Good evening to everyone. Ito mga part ko yan ibigan para na 35 and above. Diba? Tok-tok ko lang yan. Ako lang mo na 35 and above. Dali tayo 35 and above dito. Has to be truthful and honest. No? Anyway, as Madam Dali, I will be leaving tonight and may Africa, the Ethiopia, Monetary Conference, the United Nations Development Program. But before I leave, I'd just like to say a few words. Especially na topic ko kumabigan is about the anak pugo na ginayaklan in politics and government. Before siguro kung share basit panggit na in politics and government. But before that, i-describe kung ano dynamics di politika at do hiyangan at mawawatan tako. Because if there's one common business of the anak pugumon clan, it is politics. We are politicians and we do it well. Unlike na ulukan Bobre dito Ifugao, mataglamot ay dynamics dati, hindi lang no Vice Mayor Bundur Ketue, yada board member, it is between tribes. Diba? Ayangan versus Ilocano or Ituari at Ilibon Masipuro. Nalanhagadas at Masipuro, nila ito Ayangan versus Hapuan. In other municipalities, it's geographical. So, Hitun Payoyaw is between the Henanga and the Baher. For a time, also in Tinok, one an upper versus lower Tinok. But ito at Kiangan, might meet the daket politika, especially na ng mayor, vice mayor, muna sasamo ng election, might meet the tribo-tribo. Mostly ay mga laban niya, ito sentro. And when I talk of center, it's population, ang babang pindongan ng tuklak. Naminghan lang na, waday vice mayor tako, ang imong gayang, ni Gabi Baglan. That was the only time the mayor and the vice mayor came from outside the four center barangays of Kianan. And mostly, ito sentro, tokolong na ng political plans, dita kumin lang na dingi. And that's why I say that the political leadership of Kianan and translated to the political leadership of Ifugao comes also from the Pugbuon ang ginayaknan. Because nanipod din Chempon di chieftains na po bumubo. Ingana na ng first assemblyman, first governors, and mayors who are also members of the clan, ingana na ng leaders ng Wadwani, and future, most probably, it will come from the 6 families. The Bonifacio Bulayungan, the Jose Danidapay, the Raimundo Bagila, of course, si Jonathan Tuyahon, the Albert Indunan, Lito is also a member of that clan. So, we are all politicians. And, iso nga, sa paminsan, adita ko mas daaw. No, sometimes, yanon, dadang muna na ay tiyempon di politika. Sometimes, yawana na adi, may iwasan mo sasamo da. Diba? Kaya mes lang dito na ni, mundo kami parade, ya karon ang kalbet, ya. Ha? Kadago-dagong tako gaya, napunaktor tako. Muna mo din narin na gato So, at hindi man lang po politika, no? Sometimes, we cannot avoid that we face each other during politics. Because si Johnny is one, Johnny and Albert, and even previous elections. But I think what defines Ifugao politics, what defines the politics of the clan is, despite sometimes we face each other, the most important thing is after elections, we don't take it personally. We reconcile, we unite for the good of Kiangan and for the good of the province. So I think that's the meat of my message tonight. The Puguon at Ginaya clan will always be among the leaders of Kiangan as well as the province of Ifugao. And what's important is even if kung sasamot ako elections or nakolkirit ako is one of the public service is we do it honorably. We serve with excellence. That is the most important thing. And this is not just in politics because I said politics and government. Even in other fields of public service, wala na ko din. The first educators, the first lawyers, even among the earliest priests and nuns come from our clan. And other endeavors, we find professionals as well as farmers in our clan. Okay? So that's the most important thing is industry, dedication, honesty, and the legacy that we can leave for Kiangan tonight is we get to know one another so that we can see where we are in government. Tapos itutuloy ako di ang mapon servisyo and maybe not just to know where we are in government but to help one another in our fields of public service. Okay? So Amog, Yaiba, it's my pleasure to share a message tonight. Maybe just for the information of everyone here, I have a bit of good news. Tinan pa kayo bagayo na pinay-umihiyan na Africa. But that is my job as a congressman. I was chosen by the House of Representatives to represent the country because bukod lang nagtrabaho as leader of Ifugao but also as leader, as a member of the National Parliament. And my trabaho kini is I'm the chairman of the Committee on National Cultural Communities. So, hinudo mabalitaan yung wada kini Mindanao, talking to the Manobos, solving the problems of the terrorized, or wada to Central Luzon, so solbaran pa ko ng problema na ng AITA, Mangyans, natutuwin ng kakaasi at katutubo. And, but at least for Ifugao, binaybayan, di trabaho pa ko to, only last Thursday morning, wala ako Senate na Committee on Public Works and Highways, chaired by Senator Revilla, and they approved the nationalization of the Kiangan-Tino Provincial Road. Nandali mo, because after that, the committee is approved, hindi marigatan, and then it goes to the plenary. More or less, nung marpas in the committee, it is good as approved in the plenary, and then they bring it to the president for signing. Bukod lang Kiangan-Tino Road is approved. We filed 3 bills, and all of them were approved, including the Ambagyo-Asipulong-Kiangan Road as National Road, and the Natuning-Aguinaldo Alfonso Lista Aurora Isabela National Road. So, ay pinunang ibaga, Natuhi ang Kalata will now be under DPWH. So at least every year, we will expect funds to be allotted or appropriated for these roads. Makaanong tema di problema di provincial government. So, that is to be one of my biggest accomplishments as a congressman during my first term. And all of this, nang karigat, di one congressman matuka-tuka ka, because our meetings, paminsan, yung gagawal din nilo, and then sometimes I have to go to other places to attend conferences, na hindi nag-iibagan presidente tako. But, for today, I get inspiration from the people of Ifugao. Especially na kayo anang mo di iba because mumait kayo, maidak hindi ang mundo, service you. And maybe one of these days, hopefully, as long as we keep our unity and our dedication to public service, one of these days, no, one of the scions or the descendants, no, of Puguon and Ginaya might become a senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Of course, in the very long future pa hindi maybe kayo habang information, we also have filed a bill for the establishment of the Cordillera Autonomous Region. So, hopefully, it will pass this time. O if not 2013, maybe by 2014, na humbalit na po one autonomous region. So, not only to serve Ifugao, but also the entire Cordillera. Okay, so that shows you how strong the Puguon Aguinaya clan is. Because even if Puguon Tuwid clan as a political dynasty is in Piangan, but it can radiate to the entire province of Ifugao, the entire region, and even the Philippine archipelago. So again, I will bid you goodbye in a little while. May bigat, 11 o'clock kilong no flight po, 16 hours sa Ethiopia. Nukas pangaringan ko mga South Africa kung may pangayan, mabalin siguro nga, Congo, isakripisyo ko na lang hindi, but Ethiopia, it's a very remote place, no? Sa paminsan lang di tsansaan makabiyahe di. So anyway, kalong turay no, mapuyat ang amon travel, basta importante, wala kadwa ng hilong at makinamon kayo. So thank you very much and hagiyo kayo sa panahon. Salamat.